Let me say charity begins at home. And as Tech Mahindra, we are truly committed as an Indian multinational to do the right things for ourselves, our children, the planet, and all the stakeholders involved. A key concept that we brought to the party is what about something called green revenue? Can we get green revenue? Now that is something which is unique in itself now. Of course, now many are using it. The second one is get this green revenue by mitigating climate risks. How do you do that? And third is, how do you make your supply chain sustainable? Not just for yourself, but also for the people supplying or the suppliers that you do. Now, compressing a 40-page document in few lines, you see you cannot deliver what you can't measure. So we decided to measure the impact through few baselines. So let me just read out. One target of ours was rejuvenating the environment. And there were three measures basically: greenhouse gas emissions, water, and waste management. See, we are a large company, 160,000 employees. We ourselves are net polluter, if you may want to say that. Started with a baseline of 2015. Proud to say that our own greenhouse gas reduction since then and now has been 39%. Talking about our own paper, in IT industry, we tend to use and misuse paper quite a bit. 46% reduction in paper. Talk about per capita freshwater consumption. And we just heard about freshwater being saved and water being recycled. Our own per capita consumption of fresh water has been reduced by 13 liter per person per day to almost 10 liter per person per day. And we have targets further. One very interesting area that we are also working with our supply chain partners is we are engaging with all our IT and other suppliers to measure their greenhouse gas emission with a target of reducing at least 6% through innovative technologies that we bring to the party. We do a lot of innovation in different parts, not just by measurement, but also through sustainable technologies. That is something, again, which Tech Mahindra is doing. And last but not the least, which I'm very proud of and goes with the theme of the day today, promoting sustainable innovation. So there are something like 60 ideation sessions, innovation sessions that Tech Mahindra has done in spite of COVID impact last year, purely on this account, which is sustainable innovation. And GIS, of course, which I lead, being a backbone. And we earlier talked about forest fires, and we talked about basically irrigation, which is very targeted irrigation. Everywhere you see the use of maps, use of satellites, use of analytics, data as real time as possible, and a lot of IoT-based sensors are being brought to the fore on these innovation topics.